How to use feature points to make money. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the application called feature points to actually make yourself some money while you're waiting in line for your Starbucks, while waiting for your kids to come out, or while you're free. So firstly, I want you to download this application feature points on your phone. You can easily get this from the Play Store, and I want you to open it up. Now once you open it up, firstly you will be greeted with a sign up page, which you can simply sign in within a couple of seconds through your Gmail, and you will be good to go. So their main page looks something like this. So over here you have a lot of options. So firstly you have the option to play and earn. Now guys, playing and earning is probably the most exciting way to make money in this application, because you can literally play games and earn money. So the more you play, the more it pays. Then you have the service option as well. You have service from Polefish, Theorem Reach, your service, and so many other options as well. Then you even have offers from different offer walls. You can watch videos and so much more. Now I'm gonna click on play and earn, and once I click on play and earn, after that I will be asked to basically accept the terms and conditions. I'm gonna permit the usage in just a second. So yeah, you have to do all of these things, and I'm not gonna cut any of these things out. So I'm gonna just basically wait for a couple of seconds, and once this okay gets green, I'm gonna click on okay. So yeah, now I've done that, and now feature points can actually show me ads. So this is how it works. Now if I were to download the Brain Duco application, well, essentially what's gonna happen is that I will be basically getting points. Now the more I play, the more points I make, and the more points I make, the more money I can cash out when I want to cash out. Then we have the option to download more applications, more things as well. We even have solitaire play over here. This was my favorite game when I was 11 years old. I used to play this all the time, and I'm sure you guys must know about this game as well, because this was the only game in Windows XP that was actually good. So yeah, definitely a lot of nostalgia over there. Then we have more applications over here too, and then at the bottom we have a line saying that it may take up to 15 minutes until the reward is shown in the application. So definitely not super complicated. I mean honestly very simple, and you can definitely use this easily. So then we have an option to do surveys via Polefish. So surveys, honestly the most beneficial that I think is out there on the internet, because they're literally so easy to do. Now for example, over here you can see that you can earn up to 5,000 points per survey. Now imagine doing that by downloading games. It's gonna take you forever, but with surveys it's really easy. So I'm gonna click on Polefish now, and once I click on Polefish, it is gonna ask me to take me to a browser. So I'm gonna go to the browser, and let's see what happens. So now it's loading up the polefish.com website. So now you can basically click on get started, and you can simply click on I agree, and then after that you can simply choose this emoji to verify you're a human, and then simply put in all this information, and after that you will be set up for Polefish, and you can literally start doing their surveys and start making money. Similarly, we have Theorem Reach, but for them there are no services available right now. Then we have your service as well. So I'm gonna open that up, and then similarly we are taken to another page. Gonna click on continue, and then let's see what we see after that. So honestly, I'm doing all of this to show you that there is no cutting. This is exactly what the application is right now, and this is completely authentic. Now the service might take a couple of seconds to load up. So yeah, now from over here, choose the language you want to go with. After that they're gonna ask you another question. These are literally surveys. I'm not kidding. You are making money right now. Right now I'm making points. So I'm gonna just simply answer these questions, and then after that I'm gonna basically click on continue, and I gotta check this box to confirm my humanity, which is super weird, but yeah, honestly very simple. And now it's gonna be the same thing, simply filling out a form, and then after that just simply receiving points, and that is basically it. So guys, that is how their service option work. Then we have their offers option. So their offers option is actually the most simple. So you can actually do a lot of different offers from over here, and you can make money from them. So click on earn up to 1,500, and then you will be asked to basically download this particular game, and you can earn up to 3,200 points. Guys, all you have to do is simply upgrade your castle to level 12 within 30 days, and then you will be given 3,200 points. Guys, that is literally the most easiest request that I've ever received to like basically make money. Like they're literally asking you to play a game and then they're gonna give you points for that, which are essentially just money waiting for you guys. So like honestly, like it is not super complicated. I mean, like anybody can get started with this. I mean, this is not rocket science, but then again, most people don't know about this. So like that's the reason I'm over here explaining everything. So like another way that you can make points is by simply watching videos. So like once you like watch videos, you can earn free tokens, and then like you can basically like get going with that as well. Now taking a look at the bottom, you can basically see like we have 5 different sections. We have the win section, earn section, reward section, share section, and the profile section. So I'm gonna click on the win section now, and let's take a look what we have over here. So over here we have the instant win option. So the instant win option is basically an option through which you can scratch to win instant prizes, and you can win up to 250 tokens by just like simply using a particular application. Then you have the option to like win big money, and like basically you can win up to 60,000 points, which is amazing. Like that is truly awesome. Then you have the option to like basically win fast cars as well, and like honestly super fun ways to like actually earn points. Then you have contests. So like what happens in contests? So like in contests you can win up to 63,000 points, and you can earn $5 every day, and like basically get $100 by the end of the month. Like basically if you have entries over here, so like that is gonna make you eligible to like win like these instant contests, and like basically just like make money. So if I were to like choose one from over here, and then over here I can basically see an advertisement, and then for this advertisement I'm gonna be paid points. So like very simple, honestly the easiest way to make money in my opinion. So like I'm just gonna like let this run for a couple of seconds, and once this ends, well after that we are gonna explore the other options as well. So like now I'm gonna simply back up, I'm gonna open up feature points, and then once I open a feature point, I still have the ad. I'm gonna click on the cross button from the top right, and then yeah, so we are back. So now let's take a look at the reward section. So the reward section at the bottom is basically where you can actually redeem your points in the form of PayPal gift card. So like let's say you have 3,000 points, you can actually get yourself a $5 PayPal reward, which you can like simply cash out in your PayPal. And like if you have like let's say 300,000 points, you can actually get a $500 USD PayPal reward in your PayPal account. So like guys, I mean like that is a lot of money. I mean like I'm not saying that like making 300,000 points is super simple, super easy. No, it's not. It's gonna take quite a lot of time, but you are gonna be paid actual money for that, which is really rare in today's world where everybody just wants to like scam you. It's like definitely a very nice opportunity. Then at the bottom we have the share option. So they also have an amazing referral program. So like let's say you were to like share this particular application with your friends and family. What happens? So if you were to like share this particular application with your friends and family, you can earn 50% of whatever they earn. So like for example, if you earn like let's say $1,000, well then you can earn $500 in passive income. So like let's say I refer this application to my friend, and my friend ends up making like let's say $500 on this application. Well, the fact that I referred him and he used my referral link to sign up, I will be paid half of whatever he earned. So like $250 are gonna be deposited in my account for just the fact that I shared and I actually like just gave him this application. So like I'm gonna be rewarded 50% of whatever he earns, which is pretty rare if you ask me. So like definitely very nice. And then you have the profile section, which I'm not gonna go to because that's gonna reveal a lot of personal information. But over here you can see all the steps to like essentially do this particular thing, and like honestly very easy. I mean like this is basically how you can get started with feature points, and I hope I covered everything, and if I did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.